Hey guys, AJ Town here with the T-Storm Chasers. Just want to bring you a quick little update as we are watching two systems that are going to be bringing us a derecho for the North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota into Iowa and Wisconsin throughout the next couple days. We will be keeping a very close eye on this system as it does continue to progress its way east and southeastward. Now, as we do take a quick look at this system, we will dive into it and really see what we're going to be watching here about this 3 o'clock time frame. We start to see things develop about that 5:30 time frame there in central portions of South Dakota. As we do continue to put that map into motion there about 6:30, that's when that derecho is going to start to form and something we're going to have to keep a very close eye on. Now, as we do continue to progress this map there about 7:45, moving just west of that Aberdeen area, quickly shifting to the south and to the east. One thing you can see with that system is that bow that is starting to really come into play there. That'll quickly move to the south and to the east, thereby about that 10 o'clock hour, impacting Highway 281. That'll move into the Huron area about that 11 o'clock time frame and continue to progress its way southeastward. Now, we do start to see that system start to fall apart as it does impact the Sioux Falls area. They're about that 1, 2 o'clock time frame is what we are watching that moving into. As we do take a quick look there, we do still see some signs of a bow that is really still showing right through that Highway 81 corridor there. Coming into the I-29 corridor there about that 1:30 time frame. Moving into the Sioux Falls area about that 2 to 3 o'clock time frame. So we do have that chance of some damaging winds. As it does continue to progress its way eastward, it does quickly fall apart there and diminish as it does continue to progress along the I-90 corridor. Now, as we do want to jump into later, here into the North Dakota region there, we do start to see a system start to form about that 2 o'clock time frame right over that Bismarck, North Dakota. We do start to see it really forming into a line here, coming into there about that 3 o'clock. Now, as we do start to put this map into motion there, about that 4:30 time frame, we do start to see things really start to form. You can see that bow really taking shape there about that 5:30. Now, as we come in about that 6:30 time frame, we are still seeing indications of that bow. That is going to continue to progress and build its way southward. Now, as we are about that 8 o'clock time frame, things are really still bowing out there. And you can see that it's moved past that I-29 corridor and really impacting much of Minnesota as that does continue to progress. Now, down south there, we are watching the chance of seeing another derecho set up here, coming in about that 8, 9 o'clock time frame. You can see it starting to form there, and then it is quickly connecting into this line of storms that is continuing to progress its way eastward. Now, as we do put that map into motion there, we do see that that line of wind is still connected and still moving its way eastward into Minnesota and Iowa. There, as we do put the map into motion, we do see about that 3 o'clock time frame. That derecho is still set up and moving into the area. Then that is still moving through that Iowa area. And finally, about that daybreak time is when things start to fall apart. So we are going to have to watch this system as things start to progress and really come into play over the course of the next couple hours and even into tomorrow morning when a better model run will come out. So we do have Braden that will join us here later today with the latest weather update and information. So do stick around with T-Storm Chasers as we do start to track two systems that are going to be moving through the area, bringing us the chance of seeing some damaging wind, damaging hail, heavy rains, and lightning. There is an isolated tornado risk as well that is coming with this system, so something we are going to keep a close eye on as well. Stay with T-Storm Chasers as we do continue to monitor the latest news, weather, and information, and we will bring that to you as things do break. Thanks, guys.